Hey, you guys looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home close to Lackland Air Force Base? This is it, guys. We're located on 7222 Pandora Way and 78252 right outside Lackland Air Force Base, Ray Ellison Boulevard and 14 Military. This community is Solana Ridge. Beautiful neighborhood here, guys. Let's go ahead and check out this house built in 2016. Original roof, original everything, guys. It's a military home, 2-car garage. It's 1,900 square feet and sales price is $271, guys. Let's go. Here you go. We have some content here. We have some brick, beautiful door. Everything down here is tile. We're walking by this beautiful receiver. 2-car garage on this way. A coat closet down here. And on this end, we have a first room. Again, it's a 4-bedroom house with 2 baths. First room here, guys. All the way straight, we have our second room with a closet. Good sized room, guys. And walk in here so you guys can get a better feel for it. All right, and in this opening here, we have our full bath that is shared here with these 3 rooms. Again, guys, we're very close to Lackland Air Force Base, so this person selling the home will say it was in the U.S. Air Force. So thank you, and thank everybody else who's in the service that keeps us giving this opportunity to live the dream. It's a 2-car garage, guys. As you guys can see, there is a water softener there, which makes it great for showering, washing your cars, washing dishes, and cleaning the restroom. All right, guys, this is our living room. You guys can see tile. Large, huge living room. If we go down this way, we'll see our beautiful kitchen back there with a large island. And our dining room here. As you can see, the appliances are included. Dishwasher, stove, refrigerator. This one has a washer and dryer here, guys. This will be our laundry room. As you can see, nice lighting. Ample room in here, guys. This will be our room number 3. And nice large closet here, guys. We'll walk back this way. And we'll walk back into the kitchen. I'll show you the master room and the backyard. Here it is, guys. Look at this beautiful kitchen. It has a nice backsplash that matches the tile on the floor. A lot of plugs. 30-inch cabinets. And this is what the house looks like from this way, guys. All right, let's go in here and let me show you guys the master bedroom. The master bedroom here. Again, goes back into carpet. Very large. 2 windows in this room. And we walk straight into our... Hello. We walk into our private toilet with door. Large walk-in closet with a little space on the side here for storage. This way we have our double vanity sinks here. Large mirror. Our garden tub and a beautiful tiled shower, guys. That looks great. All right. Now, it's not a beautiful home until I show you guys the backyard. Very nice size yard, and it's located right off the street. So we can get in and out. Right, while here, we have a covered patio. 10x10 concrete patio, guys. Check this out. Very nice. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Middle of May, or towards the end of May. And this is what it feels like. This is what it looks like. I'll stay quiet so you guys can hear the birds. You guys can see we have a deck that takes us down here. I'll go ahead and go down there. I'll show you what our neighbor's house looks like. I'll show you what the neighborhood looks like here, guys. Yeah. Again, very close to Lackland Air Force Base, minutes away from the base, guys. You walk downstairs. There is a little bit towards the incline. Towards the back, maybe about 15 degrees down. But I'll walk this way and show you so you can see for yourselves the foundation difference between the front and the back. And that way you guys can get an idea of how steep this is. All right, again, new roof, guys. The original roof, 2016. Everything is how this original owners. Just got the orders. They're getting ready to move, guys. So their loss is our opportunity, guys. Here we go again. A lot room on the side. And I do want to show you guys that there is sprinklers already on the property. So the sprinkler system is already set up, guys. If you guys are looking for this home or any other home close to Lackland Air Force Base, let me know.